Hey guys, back in the garage. Now in this video I'm going to share a coupon that's going on right now, so that way you guys can get more power out of your BMW. Now around every November, right, we have different deals going on, different vendors trying to offer different discounts for you guys, so that way you can modify that car that you want to modify. If you guys haven't checked out my full install and testing video on the Forged Motorsport blow-off valve charge pipe kit, check out that video above. But the thing sounds amazing for one, but it even looks even better on the hood. And I got a new DIY that's gonna come right next in relation to it. Let's go take a look at it real quick. There it is. Looks perfect in the engine bay, of course. Great sounding, great operation. Easy as far as install goes. Like I said, check out that DIY. But what I'm going to be doing is this goes to back to the factory line, which is tapped in the intake manifold. I'm going to be running the proper 1/4 line to the intake manifold right here on the back, so that way it can do the right boost. So that's what's recommended as far as blow-off valve operation goes. So stay tuned for that video. All right, so back to the power. So MHD, if you guys have never heard of MHD, I'm sure you possibly have as far as being on this channel. They have, of course, full flash tunes on your DME, and you can also get the JB4 back-end flash, which is what I have, stacked with the JB4. So you got those two options right here. But what they're doing, starting tomorrow, we're doing 15% off everything on that app. So you can do, of course, data logging, of course, flashing, back-end flash license. It can definitely add up over and over. So starting tomorrow, ends on the 30th, MHD, nice little discount coming towards you guys. So it's right there on the app and you guys are good to go. I know I've had a lot of questions as far as, how do I use MHD? How do I navigate through it? Definitely check out my DIY on the back end flash that I stacked on here via MHD. I'll post that DIY up to the top. That gives you the full in-depth as far as how you need to navigate through it, how you pick your flash files, and all as well as that. Happy modding, and some more discounts here to come, and of course a bunch of new DIYs to come here as well. Hey, big thumbs up on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and time to get back at it. Take care.